Ever noticed how shoppers open your store, add a product to the cart, and then switch tabs to do something else? Many never come back. That small distraction can cost you a sale. That's why we built Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app with over 30 tools to help you sell more, including the clever Favicon Cart Counter feature. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the Favicon Cart Counter app and enable it with one click. You can then adjust the counter shape, color and message to match your brand perfectly. Hit save and check it out live. Now, even when shoppers switch tabs, they'll see a subtle reminder of what's waiting in their cart, helping bring them back to complete their purchase. Favicon Cart Counter is just one of over 30 tools in Crucials designed to boost engagement and increase sales for your store. Try Crucials today and turn every browser tab into a reminder to buy.